You got a bird? Give him a kiss, Lila. Give him a kiss, Lila.
Oscar.
Give him a kissy.
Hi.
Give the birdie a kiss. Aww.
Yay. Okay, alright. Can you be gentle? Good girl. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. Hi. Yeah. What's his name? It's my Percy.
His name's Percy?
You named it Percy.
Thomas.
Okay, let Oli have a turn. Can you let Oli have a turn? Ooh, look at Oli.
What a good little bird.
This is Electra, Abby's bird. She's my favorite. Yeah, she's the best. She's the best bird out of the three that she has.
Very good.
Okay, say bye-bye to the birdie. No! Yeah, it's gotta go away. It's gotta go to his home so it can go night-night. It's gonna fly away, Lila.
What are you thinking that thing?
What are you thinking that thing?
Where are you going with the bird?
Oh.
Oh, I wanted to fly on her. Give the bird a kiss.
Look at my head.
You got a bird on your head.
Head. Get on her head. Stop biting me. Get on her head.
He's like, oh crap, I don't want to be on somebody's head. Lila, look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Okay.
Do you have a bird on your head?
Hope it don't poop.